Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get Viki Pass on Viki app itself. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I'm already logged in and this is a particular homepage over here. So just simply get a Viki Pass so that you can watch the latest releases, standard shows, the series and the movies, or simply to watch all of the shows without any ads. All you have to do is tap on this Get Viki Pass option in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to various options of standard one, where you can see that we can unlock standard shows and movies, access to Viki exclusive, Viki originals movies and global dramas, and even watch on SD qualities with no ads and watch on TV with Chromecast. You do have two of the options. One of the best choice is one annual where you can save 16% for US $49.99 per year. Or even the monthly one, we have to pay US $4.99 per month. I'll be choosing the best choice and then tap on this start free trial. Tap on it. You can see now you have an option of choosing or adding your credit or debit card. Tap on it. Now add your debit card simply and then tap on save option. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. So go there and start a free trial and watch your favorite standard shows and movies. So I hope to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.